Looking for a computer with all the best 3D modeling and rendering specs can be tricky. Multiple factors need to be considered while searching for the best and effective computer, such as CPU, GPU, and, not to forget, a lot of storage and fast memory. Powerful processing, a high-end graphics card, a long battery life, and enough RAM are required for 3D modeling and rendering. In this video, we break down the 5 best laptops for 3D modeling in the market. Our dedicated team has spent countless hours conducting thorough research to carefully select and evaluate the best products, all to give you reliable recommendations you can trust. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Apple 2022 MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch comes with Apple's latest M2 chip and offers excellent performance and battery life. However, there's no new design here, and with the new MacBook Air snapping at its heels, this laptop feels redundant in some aspects. The M2 chip delivers, offering performance that destroys the best Windows laptops. The M2 also beats the M1 chip by a significant margin in various benchmarks. Plus, the new MacBook Pro 2022 delivers the most extended battery life, surpassing 18 hours of endurance. The base model features a 13.3-inch 2560 by 1600 display, an M2 processor with an 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, 8GB of unified memory and 256GB of storage. The 13.3-inch Retina display features 500 nits of brightness and a P3 wide color for vibrant images and incredible detail. It even outdoes the previous M1 MacBook Pro 13-inch, which shows that the M2 is even less battery hungry than its predecessor. Number 2, Asus ROG Strix G16. The Asus ROG Strix G16 has an Intel Core i9 CPU with a clocking speed of 5.6 GHz. It also has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPU, which helps your computer boost its processing speed. To cope with those high-performing CPUs and GPU, it has 16 GB of DDR5-4800 MHz RAM, which reduces the loading speed and gives you smooth functioning. Well, along with all these top hardware specifications, it has Windows 11 Home operating system, which is like a cherry on the cake. And to give you a proper exposure of outputs, it comes with a 16-inch FHD 165Hz display. The Asus ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop includes an inbuilt ROG intelligent cooling system with Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut Extreme Liquid Metal connected to the CPU with an intake fake. This cooling system is compatible with handling all the heat produced by the system and provides efficient performance. Number 3, Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is high-quality components that give the user the best and premium experience. This laptop features the Intel Core i9-13900HX with a clocking speed of 5.4 GHz, which does not let it go down in the race for best-performing computers. To ensure the smooth functioning of high-end graphics software, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, giving a top-of-the-line experience. It also has 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD to provide the best support while executing the software. This machine gives you complete exposure towards high graphics software by installing the 16-inch QHD plus 500 nits and the 2560 by 1600 pixels display resolution. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i comes with Windows 11 as an operating system. Number 4, MSI Stealth 17 Studio. The MSI Stealth 17 Studio is one of the most popular available laptops. It comes with 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor, and along with that, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU powered by the Ada architecture makes the machine a completely compatible device for high-end graphics software used in 3D modeling and rendering. MSI has supported 32 GB RAM along with Thunderbolt 4 and DDR5-4000 memory to maintain high peak performance with no complications. It confirms the high-speed data transfer for heavy use. Also, for a better user experience, the MSI Stealth 17 Studio 17.3 QHD 240Hz gaming laptop has a QHD display. This 17.316:9 240Hz 100% DCI-P3 QHD display delivers the best graphic pictures by enhancing color contrast quality. Not just that, by adding Windows Hello, MSI has also managed to make the machine an intelligent device with high security yet user-friendly. Number 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus 14WQ-XGA. The Asus ROG Zephyrus 14WQ-XGA has powerful machine features, the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HS processor and AMD Radeon RX 6700S GPU. A powerful combination specially designed for heavy graphics software and applications. Not just that, to give proper UI support, the laptop comes with a Windows 11 home operating system. The Asus ROG Zephyrus 14 has storage support of 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD and 16GB DDR5 4800MHz RAM with a 1-year standard warranty. It also has MUX switch, allowing users to shift into GPU mode for heavy performance directly. The MUX switch helps reduce the latency to boost performance while executing heavy tasks. The Asus gaming laptop has a complete setup for you to get the best performance out of your machine. Asus has successfully hit back again in the list with one of its unique budget-friendly products, i.e. Asus ROG Zephyrus 14 gaming laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.